Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by QMines Executive Chairman Andrew Sparke. Andrew, tell us how drilling is progressing at Develin Creek and what the level of excitement is like right now for the QMines team.
Yeah, hi Tyler. The drilling's progressing really well. So, as you would have seen from our announcement, we've actually got 2 RC rigs going at our new Develin Creek project. Just a bit of background, it's a high-grade copper-zinc project. There are 3 deposits there, and what we're working on at the moment is incorporating those 3 deposits into our larger Mt Chalmers mine plan. So Mt Chalmers is a historic, high-grade historic copper and gold mine, it's about 90 k's away. And we've released a pre-feasibility study on that particular deposit in April last year. So this drilling program is about continuing to add more deposits into that mine plan, which we expect to update shareholders on shortly. But there's a little surprise here coming that I don't think people are really fully appreciating, is that the scale here is growing really, really quickly. So it's a really exciting time for our shareholders.
So how will an improved resource confidence at Develin Creek play into QMines' objective of becoming a mid-tier copper producer?
Yeah, look, it'll really help. So we're rolling out about a 10,000 metre drilling program, mostly focused at Develin Creek. We've already done the diamond drilling, which is going to help with metallurgical test work and those sort of things. Now we're getting into the real sizzle. So we've got about 8,000 metres. There's about 45 holes being drilled in what's actually the largest of the 3 deposits there. And as a quick refresher, it's a very high-grade deposit. So it's going to come up with some absolutely awesome numbers, which we expect to start rolling out relatively soon. It's going to really add to the confidence. There'll be quite a large infill drilling program, which will obviously improve the resource confidence, but also a relatively large, step-out program to see if we can also grow it a fair bit. So lots of news on the way, which will be great, and lots of leverage for our shareholders.
You also recently announced a new gold acquisition called Mt Mackenzie. What can you tell us there?
Sure thing. It's okay. So this particular project is about trying to also add to that Mt Chalmers mine plan. It's high grade, it's outcropping, it's got a significant deposit already. But what's exciting is it's open in all directions. So we're really keen to get the rigs up there as well once we finish the drilling at Develin Creek. To see if we can add this into the mine plan later in the year as well. So effectively, we're actually working on building 5 more deposits into that mine plan, and we've only got 1 in the mine plan at the moment. So you can see there's a big step change coming in terms of scale here. So it's a great asset. It gives our shareholders a lot more leverage to gold, and I think will really add to the scale of the overall operation.
Finally, when can investors expect to hear something next from QMines?
Pretty soon. Our announcement this week came out with 8 to 10 catalysts that we're working on behind the scenes, and it actually put some timelines around those. So we expect to start seeing those, pretty much imminently. So watch this space. There is a lot of news coming, and obviously we've been drilling for a matter of months now. There's a lot of holes in the labs. There's over 2 kilometres of drilling in the labs with another 6 k's coming, as well as all the METS test work, the resource upgrades, the pit optimisation studies, and a PFS later in the year. So really exciting time to be a QMine shareholder.
Definitely very busy times ahead. Andrew, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, Tyler.